Good morning and welcome back to our channel, The Adventures of Bobbie and Bobbie. Today we've decided to play a little bit of hooky around from our house and the responsibilities that all homeowners share. And we're going to do one of our other passions, which is riding. We bought these bikes about 7 years ago, and when we first got them, we were riding them every weekend. And now, you know, you kind of fall into that responsibility mode and you have to take care of your things. But every once in a while, you just have to say, screw it, we're going to just have fun and take a ride. We're going to go to our historical Harley Davidson dealership, and they're celebrating women riders today. So I'm going to ride up. They're going to give me a nice free t-shirt. I'll show it to you later. And we'll have some fun with the breeze in our hair and just riding along on the highway. See you there. That one or this one so far? Surprise, surprise. I don't know. Okay, so we made it here to the Orlando Harley Davidson historical distributor of Harley Davidsons. We had a nice little stroll around the dealership. They have some beautiful bikes, some new 2020s that are absolutely gorgeous. But the reason that I came is because it's Ladies' Day, Lady Rider Days, and they gave out a beautiful free t-shirt. They actually had a huge selection to choose from. I picked this one in kind of like a salmon-y orange color, very pretty, so riders can see me. We're going to make a short day of it because the weather's turning. It's starting to get a little cloudy. We want to make it home before the rain, which seems to happen every day. And we'll see you at home. Keep the rubber side down. Peace. That's not going anywhere. Well, here we are. We're going to head home. Again, trying to beat the rain, because I have a feeling it's going to come sooner than they predicted. I've secured my new free shirt to the bike, and hopefully it's not going anywhere. I definitely am in need of some really good storage, but we'll see someday. So we made it home. It's very hot and humid. Even with the cloudy weather, we're still sweating off gallons of water. So thank you very much for joining us on our brief little respite, our little ride to the dealership where I got my beautiful free t-shirt. If you like us, please click that you like us, subscribe to our channel, and please stay tuned for hopefully another episode sometime soon. Till then, stay safe. Peace out.